You've never been to the Sleigh-Bell Parade?
You've lived around Manistee for how long have you never been to the Sleigh-Bell Parade?
22 years.
22 years.
Wow.
19. I haven't lived around here for 3 of the years. Doesn't bother me.
Dakota, I've lived here for 16 years of my life, and I've gone.
So.
Dakota, where do you hide?
He doesn't know who Beyonce is.
Dakota, who's Beyonce?
Are you serious that you don't know who Beyonce is?
It's a girl.
You not know who Beyonce is. She's the queen
Yeah, Queen Bee.
Queen of what? England?
of music.
England is her city.
Are we gonna go to Chicago for Christmas?
I want to. What about you, Dakota? Oh yeah, you're gonna be gone.
Yay, Dakota.
Yeah, Dakota. Who you gonna go see, huh? Your girly friend?
Why are you changing the subject?
Why are you changing the subject, Dakota?
Shy.
When you just say you're shy when you're shy. What?
No, I love you. I just want the best for you. Don't leave me.
You're enjoying that camera way too much.
I am. I gotta use it because you know how much I spent.
How much was it?
Way too much.
200?
Way too much, Dakota.
$1.
Wish. Actually, I stole this bitch
Yeah.
from Best Buy because it was on a deal.
Nice.
Basically stole it.
It's small.
Look at it.
Dummy.
Bam!
I want to see.
Wow.
I want to see this.
Wow.
Oh wow, it really does not blind it at all.
Do that again. Put the light up. It gives you this cool light flare. Ooh, look at that. Fancy. Cody, you pick up all the chicks. Right, Ellie? Just say it.
Dang.
Roasted.
Just kidding, Dakota, of course.
Oh, that makes it sound
Fixing
worse.
his hair.
It just sound worse. Dang.
Goes and cries.
Where are you going? Come back.
Marriage is off.
You guys are gonna get married?
Ooh.
He said the marriage is off.
Hey.
Unless you're talking about me.
I am talking about you.
Oh, yeah. Come here, buddy.
What's going with this chicken? Is that chicken out there?
You choking your chicken? I'm vlogging here. I need some entertainment.
You can toast some bread and put it on it.
Oh, you can't even see. You can't even see yourself. Look
Honey
at
butter bread!
that. I like your outfit, Dakota.
Did you eat any of the chocolate bagels?
Literally everything I'm wearing was free.
How?
Except for
you steal
the-
it?
Except for the belt.
Steal it?
Oh, did you eat any of the chocolate bagels?
Yeah, it was delicious.
Are you hungry, Dakota, or kind of?
I'm hungry.
Like hungry, or like kind of hungry?
Like I might die.
You have the munchies?
You might die my
Yeah.
You
ass.
didn't eat at church? They didn't feed you?
Oh yeah, what church?
Where'd you go?
Dale didn't wake me up, and he went, and I didn't. He's
It's okay,
like,
Dakota.
wait.
Don't cry.
You didn't go?
no.
I thought you were just coming back from how you're
Why do you
dressed.
fix your hair?
I was ready for church. I got out of bed, and I was like, all right, where's Abdil? I'm ready. And then I checked the time.
Dumb.
He left without you and you got ready.
Yeah.
And you,
How did you not know he was not here? If you went.
I thought maybe he was out here eating or something. I don't know.
Whoa!
when you
Look
get
at his
ready-
pants.
wow, fancy.
Who are you?
This is stuff I wore for canvassing.
Whoa!
How do you wake up, get all ready, do your hair, then get out of the room and be like, oh wait, Abdel's not here.
It took me 5 minutes to get ready.
That takes you 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Damn, no wonder she wants to get married to you, Dakota.
Wow.
Shit. What I'm saying, you're hot and ready, boy. Like Little Caesar.
You're stupid.
No homo.
Are you sure?
No homo. But Dakota
You
are
eat
looking
it?
good.
Dakota chicken.
Dakota,
He drank cold atole yesterday.
we do not eat cold, okay? I'm sorry.
What's left?
You eat whole cold chocolate?
That's really good stuff.
It's called hot chocolate.
Cold chocolate is better.
That's nasty.
Why can't anybody put shit away?
What?
Please tell me.
I'm not even here.
Shut up.
I barely even live with you guys. Where you going, Dakota?
Yeah, Dakota.
Getting warm.
You like the cold, remember?
I don't. I've never liked the cold.
Cold cocoa, cold chicken, cold turkey.
True, what the hell? That's weird. You're always cold, but you like cold food.
True.
You're cold-hearted.
You just know you're weird. You just realize.
No, I've never. No one's ever pointed that out. That's weird. I am.
This is so dark in here. There you go. We got the good lighting. Honestly, you look really scary. I don't know.
I could
Do
probably
do
crack my
yeah.
back.
Do the
Nope.
Does not help your back.
No, not really.
It's not supposed to help your back. It's supposed to crack it.
Does he?
From
Like softens your
from
muscles.
when you got your
oh yeah, it
back broke.
softens your muscles for when they get really, really tense from working out.
Or when you got your back broke sexually.
Stupid.
Finally, how did we not think of that?
You're
How
stupid.
did we not think of that?
You didn't think of it.
He's up for grabs.
Wow.
No, leave them in there. I already made something.
Dakota, we're so smart. I'm glad Ellie's
For
here.
you, Dakota.
Oh, I thought you were.
Wait, are you making me one?
If you want to take one.
Yeah.
Wait, it needs avocado.
It's hot though. Dakota likes it cold.
Yeah, I'm
Sucks
waiting.
ass. He better eat it.
You're not supposed to tell her.
Ew.
Okay, now you can see Dakota. Okay, let's see it. See how you're dressed. Ladies. Ladies, here you
Me a beat.
You want a beat. Okay.
Yeah.
Put some music on. Pretend I put some music on.
I do.
You like the cold. Get away from my heat.
Oh yeah. Yeah, my feet are.
Hey, come eat.
Yes, ma'am.
Ew.
Where is it?
Ooh. Ooh.
Wow.
Yeah.
She made us sandwiches.
Oh.
Now that's a woman.
Oh.
Tell me what you think. Go for it.
Marry me.
Helly, now he's gonna propose to you.
Go away, Dakota.
You want the other one?
Yeah, that one's mine. Slow down. Damn. Why you look so creepy?
Yeah.
My precious.
Dude,
Is that your favorite food? Sandwiches?
It's moving up on the scale.
Are we going to the Sleigh-Bell Parade? Alright, cut!